Welcome back to Ozarks Live. We're joined now by Lori Rook and Elise Hartley from Ozarks Elder Law. How are you both doing?
Great.
Yeah, doing well.
Well, thanks for being here. All right, so tell us a little bit about what exactly Ozarks Elder Law is.
So we are an elder law firm where we focus on the needs of the elderly and preserving assets. A big part of our practice is estate planning, and we do estate planning for any age as long as you're over the age of 18. But we come at it a little differently, and so we work with people when they're going into a nursing home, the Medicaid benefits, we go to court, elder abuse, probate. We work with a lot of veterans, special needs.
All right, so an assortment of services
Yeah,
provided
but all
there.
pretty much with the idea of saving assets.
Yeah, okay,
So
I love that.
how long have you been in business?
This is our 20th anniversary.
That's incredible.
So
Yeah, congrats on that. That's
yeah.
really exciting. And so for the 20th anniversary, you guys have a big event coming up next week. Tell us the details on that.
So on October 11th from 3 to 6 at our Springfield address, and we are over off of Ingram Mill, 2832 South Ingram Mill, and we have the entire parking lot blocked off, and people will be parking at PFI, and we are shuttling people over, and we have
we're going to have an event for the whole family. So it's going to be food trucks. We're going to have bounce house for the kids, some crafts. We're going to have a resource table so that the community can learn about who we are and what services we can provide.
Yeah.
So it's not just for current clients. but
Exactly
anybody can
right.
Come learn about you.
yeah, anybody in the community is welcome to come. So and it's for kids too. So bluegrass band, all sorts of fun stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're
Can
excited.
you tease what food trucks will be there? Do you know what food trucks will be there?
I know there is barbecue.
Ooh,
I heard
okay.
barbecue
And
and,
I know
some shaved ice maybe.
Some shaved ice, and there is another one. I'm not sure. We do have face painting.
Okay.
We are giving away an estate plan too. So I think that is
We're going to have some
something-
giveaways for
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Now tell me this, what does it mean to you guys as a business to be able to serve Springfield for 20 years? Because that's really impressive.
yeah. So the firm was started in 2002 by an attorney that retired, and we kind of merged and took over and just started deciding, we wanted to be more accessible since we are working with the elderly a lot. So being in smaller communities has kind of been our focus. So as far as like what that means to us, going into those communities, it's just been so rewarding to have people love that we're there. They've heard of us.
serving them where they are.
Yeah, it's kind of been our mission. So, but the Ozarks has been good to us. We love being able to get into these small communities and serve. So
Now,
we
when
want to give back.
When you say you're in these small communities, do you have other offices there, or how does that work?
We have 9 offices.
Oh, wow.
So we're in Ozark, Nixa, Republic, Bolivar, Joplin, Lebanon.
Marshville.
Well spread out.
Yeah, Branson, yeah. So, and like I said, the goal is just to really be accessible to folks.
So they don't have to drive into Springfield to get our
Yeah,
services.
a lot of our, people are homebound. People don't necessarily want to get on I-44 to come to Springfield, and so, but they still have needs. They still need our services. So.
And thinking about estate planning, that seems like such a huge task for someone like me that doesn't work with that. So, I mean, that's why you guys are experts, of course. But like, how do you break that down to make it a lot easier for people to wrap their heads around?
Well, we offer a free consultation, so I think that's helpful for people because they can come in and they sometimes they're just coming in to view it as getting educated on things. Like they're not necessarily, and so if we can like plant that seed with people and
Yeah.
like get them thinking and conversing with their family about their wishes, that's kind of that first step.
First step.
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's amazing. So if people want more information online, where can they go to do that?
So a great resource right now, especially for our event, is Facebook. Visit our Facebook page. And website is www.ozarkselderlaw.com, and make sure to put the S on there for Ozarks.
Yeah.
And we are giving back to the community with this event. So on our Facebook page, we have a promotion kind of bringing in likes. And so once we get to 2,000 likes, we're going to make a donation to the Alzheimer's Association.
Oh, that's amazing.
And then another charity of choice for a drawing at the event. So there's lots of things happening at the event.
Perfect.
All
Thank you,
right.
ladies, so much
Yes.
for
Yeah, thank you for
telling
having
us
us.
all about it.
And congrats again on 20 years.
Yes. How fun.